Have you ever wondered what happens when Karens try to steal and get caught? In this video, we'll show you 4 jaw-dropping moments where entitled thieves face instant karma as police cameras capture every second of their downfall. On November 24, 2023, a Walmart cashier was caught stealing money from the store's cash register. The theft had been ongoing, and when police arrived, they confronted the cashier with evidence from security cameras. The officers told her that they had video proof of her taking money from the register. When asked to empty her pockets, she denied any wrongdoing, insisting that the money she had was her own.
All right, so they got you on camera, basically taking money from the register, putting it in your pocket.
Money? Where?
Yeah, they got you on camera. Would you be able to empty out your pockets? Okay, can you take that out?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir.
Try to see it. Can you stand?
Anything else in your pockets?
No, sir.
Okay, I'm gonna have you go ahead, place your items right there. I'm gonna have you turn and face the wall right here. I'm gonna pat you down. You got nothing on you?
Which pocket did you put it in?
Put your hands behind you, or like
this one?
behind your head.
That's pocket locked.
This one?
Unless she has a purse or something, I don't know.
And you could have a seat right here.
I should take everything. I have my own money.
Okay. Well, I mean, it's on camera.
Can I see for myself? Please?
I'm going to show you the pictures just to show you.
That's fine.
There's a camera like literally right above you.
I know that, of course.
So here's the times that I guess you were taking it the other days, right? The other days? Okay.
I can't see nothing. I see me taking money out.
And this one?
That's mine, sir.
Okay.
Despite her claims, the police calmly explained that there was clear video footage showing her stealing on multiple occasions. They asked her to write a statement explaining why she had the money, but she became confused and frustrated, claiming she had done nothing wrong. As the officers pressed her for the truth, she refused to cooperate, denying the theft and saying she did not know what to write.
What I'm saying, you know, it's on video, okay? You know. I don't come here just to look at videos.
So what y'all finna do?
Arrest you.
Arrest me?
Yeah, so you're gonna do what they told you to do is get back on.
Why is y'all arresting me?
Because you're under arrest for stealing.
I didn't steal anything.
Okay, just take off your vest so then we can get out of here.
Okay, can I go home? I didn't steal shit. Like, I'm not even from out here.
You work for it?
Bro, don't touch me. I gotta get my shit. I gotta get my stuff. Oh, I'm not even from out here. I did not steal anything. Okay, I got it. Okay. You just broke my okay. Can I turn around? Ow, no.
Stop resisting.
What's your name?
Give me your hands.
I didn't do anything.
Put your hands behind your back or I'm gonna tase you.
You're hurting me.
Fine.
No, he's hurting me. Oh, y'all serious right now?
You're resisting.
What you mean? I'm just finna turn around now. Can I get my belongings? What you mean? I'll take that shit. I'm gonna take you.
Get against the ground.
I swear to God, y'all fool, boy.
Stop resisting.
When the cashier refused to provide a statement, the officers informed her that she was under arrest for stealing. Instead of complying, she resisted their attempts to take her into custody. The situation quickly escalated into a physical struggle, during which the cashier accused the police of hurting her and breaking her nail. In response, the officers called for an ambulance to ensure she was okay, but she remained uncooperative, arguing and refusing to follow their instructions.
They broke my nail.
66.
They broke my nail.
Okay.
That's really it.
Okay.
Yes.
Thank you.
You want to go to the hospital and get checked out?
No.
Well, we're ready to transport you, so will you behave? Will you be good? Okay.
The cashier was charged with 3 crimes: theft for stealing money from the register, resisting arrest for not cooperating with the police, and aggravated assault for her actions during the struggle. Under the law, stealing from an employer is a violation of theft laws, which in many places is called embezzlement or simply theft. Resisting arrest and assaulting an officer are also serious crimes. She was taken to jail to face these charges. On March 5th, 2024, police were called to a Target store after a woman was caught shoplifting $2,500 worth of items. Loss prevention staff at the store recognized her from a previous shoplifting incident at another Target location. When the officers arrived, they decided to wait until she passed all the checkout points as store policy required before taking any action.
If you read the code section pertaining to shoplifting, right? Once the person can steal, you know, that's it. That's shoplifting right there.
Yeah.
But I know your policy. She must pass
All points of sale.
points of sale.
Right.
So that y'all got y'all own, law. Then y'all got y'all.
Right. Policy and law is obviously way different. Apparently, the lady that shoplifted back in November grabbed her ex-husband's girlfriend and tried to put her in her car.
What?
Take her? I don't know if she was trying to kidnap her. Apparently, she tried to handcuff her. I don't know the whole details of the story, but apparently she tried to grab her ex-husband's new girlfriend and try to handcuff her and put her in her car. Okay.
Well, she put back up.
No, she's grabbing more stuff.
That's a felony.
Yeah, maybe it'll
Maybe.
reach a felony if we reach 500, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, some of these people that we stopped are like, what, that's a felony? I thought it was 1,000.
It's over 500 no.
In Georgia, yeah, it's 500. I think in California, it's like 1,000.
1,500. The government increased their price.
The officers waited for 20 minutes until the female suspect eventually attempted to exit the store with a box full of merchandise.
Hi.
Hey man, how's it going?
Good.
I know we're going to detain you for shoplifting here, so you're not going anywhere, but we're just going to check your box here.
Sir, you don't have to detain me.
As she moved through the store, it became clear she intended to leave without paying for the goods. Officers kept a close watch on her while discussing her unusual past behavior, including an incident where she allegedly tried to kidnap her ex-husband's girlfriend.
You got a little license then. Huh? What's your name?
I have to figure out something to do with my dog. There's no way you can just cite me?
No, that's not the way it works, man. I'm sorry, but that's not the way it works.
Once the woman attempted to exit the store, officers quickly detained her. She seemed more concerned about her dog being left alone at home than the arrest itself. Although she offered to pay for the stolen items, the officers explained that it was too late for that. The value of the stolen goods meant she would face serious consequences.
Hi, Miss Hill. To handcuff you real quick. Take your bag off here.
Okay.
What's that receipt there? Is that for your refund?
Yeah.
Okay. I'll put it in there. Transfer this bag. I'm gonna come before you. Put your arms like that.
The total amount of the merchandise she tried to steal exceeded $2,400, which made the crime a felony. In the state of Georgia, stealing over $500 is considered felony shoplifting, a serious offense that can result in jail time. The woman not only faced a felony charge, but was also banned from all Target stores for life. She was likely to spend the night in jail until she could appear before a judge. On January 20th, 2023, the police were called to investigate the theft of a car. Witnesses told the officers that 4 teenage girls had broken into the vehicle using a crowbar. One officer stayed behind to try and collect fingerprints from a cup left inside the car, while another team of officers followed the stolen vehicle based on a description provided by the police dispatcher. Soon, the car's owner arrived to reclaim his vehicle while the police were questioning 2 of the suspects.
These young kids, they don't know, you know what I'm saying?
They don't have any
when
respect.
I catch that, he's dead. He's dead. There's no way they
What?
can catch me or nothing.
What's his name?
I don't know, but she's kicking it with him all the time. I don't know what the problem is.
I could see it more from this side. I don't know if she had a spare key or they punched out your ignition. That's what I was wondering, because
Oh, that's punched out.
I didn't know if it was like that or if there was anything noticeable that they took. So it's your.
Yeah, why would they steal my car? You know what I'm saying? Why would she do that?
Other officers have visual of them,
Yeah.
and I think they're trying to catch them. Do you want to pursue charges?
Yeah, I want to pursue charges.
Okay. Do you have your ID with you
Yeah.
by chance? I'm gonna start getting your info. And you said it was your daughter and her boyfriend?
Alright? You wanna hang out with the big boy? You be a big boy. Alright?
Those are the only ones I saw.
Don't cry.
How you doing? Good. Hey, I'm Officer Rico, LCPD. Hey, we're looking for a vehicle that somebody stole, and they're saying that you guys were seen near it and you're walking out of the desert where it was, okay? Where are you guys coming from?
I'm coming from Banyana over there.
Okay. You're all sweaty like you've been running. Okay?
We're walking. Yeah, we've been walking.
Okay. Let's go over here so that way we're away from all these cars over in this dirt lot. I'm going to talk with you over here, okay?
I don't know what to do. You know what I'm saying? The police, the state of New Mexico says they can't do nothing and wait till the probation. I got the papers in there.
And they don't do anything?
They've done nothing.
They don't do anything?
Yeah, a kid that's 14 can get a gun and kill somebody and they won't do shit.
Yeah, you're 100% right, sir, unfortunately. We have 14-year-olds that have killed people.
You have any weapons on you?
Nah, I got a sticker though.
Anything's gonna poke me?
Oh, the sticker gonna poke me?
You got ID on you?
I got some marijuana.
You got some marijuana?
Yeah.
I'm too concerned about that.
And I got my phone.
Yeah?
I got my phone. I forgot that bitch. Did I take over here at him?
What's your name?
Arissa.
Who?
Arissa. They was just looking for me too.
Arissa?
Yeah.
Irissa.
As the police questioned the girls, one officer tried to explain the seriousness of the situation to one of the suspects. Another officer contacted the foster parent of one of the girls involved. The other 2 girls who had also been caught were not allowed to return home with their parents. Instead, they were taken to a juvenile detention center because of the nature of the crime.
I just wanted to get away from the sidewalk. These cars are kind of close. What are your names? Marissa. And what is your name?
Aaliyah.
Aaliyah? Okay, who you with? Who else you with? You guys are being accused of being involved in an auto theft that happened, so you're going to be detained. Do me a favor, take your backpack off. So you're going to be put in handcuffs. It doesn't mean you're going to jail. It's just we have more questions for you, but we also have to help these other officers, and we're not going to have you guys running off on us, okay? So do me a favor, face away from me, please.
You too, ma'am. Can you go and take off your backpack?
So just because you're going in cuffs doesn't mean you're going to jail, being charged with the crime. You're just being put in what's called a...
Where did you go?
Do you have anything in your pockets at all?
No.
Okay. Before I have you sitting there, I'm just going to check real quick. You don't got anything in your jacket? Nothing like that? I mean, I could tell you got nothing in your pockets. I just got to make sure, okay?
The officers, along with a juvenile worker, tried to talk to the remaining girl, but things didn't improve. The police eventually pressed charges against 3 of the girls for their roles in the crime. Denise, one of the girls, was charged with running away from home, adding to her legal troubles.
Dad doesn't want you at the house. CYFD, JPO, is not authorizing you to go to jail. So you can't go to jail. But I can't let you go with anybody that's not your relative, and your dad's not working with me on that. So the best option we could do is I'm going to turn you over to Child Protective Services, and they're going to try to find you placement, probably in a foster home temporarily until you can figure something out.
Alright, Miss Merida. Want to step out? I'll take this off the vehicle.
Marissa, another suspect, was charged with unlawful taking of a motor vehicle, which means she stole the car without permission. Arissa, one of the other girls, was caught with marijuana and resisted arrest, so she faced additional charges for drug possession and disobeying the police. Their actions violated serious laws, leading to legal consequences for each girl involved. That wraps up 20 minutes of Karens who thought they could get away with stealing but got busted instead. Remember, no one is above the law. If you like this, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more shocking moments caught on camera on